This isn't a hobby. You're not out here working on your tan. You're busting your tail to grow your business. At Rainbird, we've been working to create products that help you do that for a long time. Bringing new technologies to you and your customers. Technologies like Link 2. A perfect way to upgrade existing controllers and add Wi-Fi connectivity. In seconds it can be installed, offering smarter, faster, and more stable connectivity than ever. Start by plugging in the Wi-Fi module and connect through the app. You'll notice how fast our Quick Pair technology connects your phone or tablet with the controller. The built-in access point allows you to configure and make changes to the controller, even without a local Wi-Fi network. Our top-rated app lets you manage multiple sites and control zones, schedules, and alerts anytime, anywhere. Alerts keep you informed of irrigation events from leaks to changes in the weather, even adjusting the automatic schedule so you never overwater, waste any water, or waste money. The results go beyond a healthier lawn and landscape with less effort to manage. And for you, it creates business opportunities. Now you're working smarter, not harder.